folks, Aaron at Redbird Speed. I want to talk about these studs and these axles real quick. So these studs, let's measure them up here. Got a set of dial calipers right at 490 thou. Got 20 threads per inch. These are 2-inch half 20 studs. So these are a screw-in style. I'll link them up below if you need to buy a set. I've also got them in a 3-inch. So these are going to be very common in your Mustangs, Explorers, Ford trucks. It's going to be very common in aftermarket disc brake kits, like the front brake kits from Bear Brakes, Willwood Brakes. If you were doing let's say a Chevy axle, let's say you're running your stock studs in the front, you wanted to do a 7/16 stud. I also have those available. So if you don't have a lot of horsepower, you got a Camaro, Chevelle Nova, just stock motor, just looking to match the studs up to what you had originally. These axles all start out as blank, so whatever bolt pattern, whatever stud size you need, they can be drilled in the axles. So if you have any questions about this, length of studs, whatever you're doing for brakes up front, making sure all this works together, be sure to give us a call, 260-301-2424. You can get us at redbirdspeed.com. We're available on all the social media networks. You can drop a comment below. We appreciate your support. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're going to go on and talk about more of these axle features, lightning features, access holes, some of the hardware you get. So hang in there with us. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching today. Have a good one.